Alright, what's up guys, Tk40's Gaming, back with another video, Tk40's World, and today we are going to do, how about you say it? You say what we're doing today.
I cannot hear you, Tom, but I am in my slime tower. If you turn around, you will see it, I dropped one.
Well, we're doing like a slime hunt. We're going to be hunting for slime blocks.
We're going to take turns to spin a wheel, get one of the houses in the realm, and we will then hide slimes in that house, and then the other person will find them.
Alright then, how many each? Like, how many for the thing?
I have 45 slime blocks, so we each get 22.
22. Alright then, just drop them here, I guess.
Alrighty. Hold on, at you. There you go.
So 22. Alright then. So so we hide all of them in one spot then? Like each?
Not all of them in one spot. Spread them out.
Alright then.
Places.
So who's gonna hide first? You know what, since I did the potion thing first in the last episode, the other episode, how about you go first in hiding the blocks?
We're not gonna, if we do me hiding the slime blocks, then you're not doing anything, then you're just gonna be kind of sitting there, so how about we both hide them at the same time?
Okay then. So, I will pick the... Alright, hold on, I'm spinning the wheel.
You spin the wheel.
I'll be hiding them at Hillville, and you will be hiding them at...
If it lands on the same one, just pick the one to the left of it.
The bank. So, that building right there.
Alrighty.
You almost land on your house, though. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so a place you never expect. Oh, I know. Right. Okay, I'm done with hiding my blocks.
Remember, you can't place it, far away from the location you've been given, because that would be unfair and cheating.
Yes, that would be unfair and cheating. All of them are in the, area.
The proximity?
Proximity. Nowhere outside of the building, or I guess structure. Anyways, so I guess we'll just switch now.
Right, meet me at the bank.
I'll meet you at the bank.
Okay, I see your name tag. Right, Tom, would you like to receive your gift?
Yes, I would love to receive a gift. Wow, you killed a lot of animals while I was gone. Dang, you killed a lot.
Genocide, Tom. Another one!
Yep, here goes again. Yeah, what's like...
Now start looking.
Oh, I can start looking now?
Yep, 22 blocks to find.
What's your kill count for this episode? You killed like a lot of animals, didn't you? Well, I found one already.
One down, 21 to go.
Yep. Where is it?
I'm committing entertaining commentary.
Wait a second. So, like... Wait, so is it like who finds them the quickest or who finds them most?
I think you just have to find them.
Alright then. Let's just see. Whoever does the best or whatever.
Yeah,
shows...
shouldn't think it's better than us.
Yeah, whoever shows the best... I don't know, the best game in this.
Yeah, maybe there's a bed in this chest over here.
Maybe there are some slime blocks in that chest over there. Yeah.
I don't know if that was from me or not.
Ha! 4 down, some more to go. Alright, so I've got... Oh, I mean, I found all the easy ones. Don't know if I can find any more.
Have you?
Oh, where could there be another one? Oh. Okay, that was...
I think he found it.
Let me just, Yeah, okay. Okay, so, I found 5. So,
It's a shame there ain't any beds in this chest over here.
5. I got 17 to go. Oh, okay.
There you go.
Okay, why? You're really good at this, aren't you? Okay, well, I've got.
It's not your chest.
Alright, so, yeah, I mean, like,
By the way, Tom, if you get stuck, then I have a hint for you.
something tells me I would need a hint. Okay, maybe I might do. What's the hint?
Good thing I took your advice and looked for that underground thing in the corner. I got some beds.
Yeah.
No, you're wrong.
Oh,
Bed.
you tricked me, didn't you?
I did trick you, but would you like me to say the sentence again?
Yes, please.
Good thing you told me about that hidden underground thing in the corner.
In the corner. Okay, in the corner. Alright, okay, so, yeah, I'll meet you there once I get out of here.
You need some blocks.
I think I'll be fine. I have my ways of getting places.
Alright.
Snap too late. I'm trying to snap my fingers, you know. In the corner you say, oh, I wonder where it could be. I wonder where it could be. I wonder where it could be. Under the counter.
I mean, there's 2.
Uh-huh. Wait a second. I should probably place these blocks back. That's probably a good idea. Uh-huh.
I know you said nothing about burying, but there was literally nothing else I could do, so...
Up to the thing or whatever. Okay, so you said you buried them, didn't you? No, oh.
Alright, who said that?
This is so tiring.
I am the master hider.
You're infuriatingly good at this. I found 9 and there's 22 to find. Wonder if it's still.
I think you found them.
Oh, so you did bury them.
You find them.
Yes, I found all 22.
Nicely done. Here, have some blocks.
Okay, well, well, I guess it's your turn now.
Shall we head to Hillville, my good sir?
Let's go to Hillville. Blocks.
Is Hellville unalive?
Go find the blocks.
Okay.
But right there, you know that hole.
I think the cow might have swallowed one. No?
Okay, well, there. Look over there.
Tom, I'm lost. I can't find any.
I did say it wasn't a place you least expect.
1, 3.
Yeah. You need some help? No, you got this. You collected them? Alright, so, let's, they are not in the graves. They are not in the graves of Chucky and, you know, Bobby.
That explains it.
Okay, so, we got Jeff 2 and Jeff, remember those guys? Pretty funny.
Yeah, Jeff the sequel.
Yeah, anyway, so I can give you a hint if you like.
Are there any in the garage? There's none in the garage. Are there any in the chest in the garage? put 11 in the chest in the garage?
Maybe. Maybe I put half of them in there. Because I didn't have many places to hide.
14 down, 8 to go.
Okay, you are good at finding them, aren't you?
Yes. I take my Minecraft seriously. There's another one.
Oh, you found it already. Okay. Yeah. Don't mind me just strolling around the
I'd
area.
like to follow you.
Yeah, following. A good strategy for a hunter to follow the...
Well, we still haven't hit the dog yet, because we ain't got no bones. I see one!
Dog! Oh, you meant the slime blocks, didn't you? Anyway, so lilies and daffodils and grass and stone and...
Are there any down here?
You are way too good at this, aren't you?
I can't even see down here.
Yeah, you get used to it.
I'm at 18 now. 4 more left.
Well...
We running round the mountain, run.
Something tells me you might have found a couple of slime blocks down there.
You didn't place them in all of these, did you?
No, just the one.
Okay, good.
I mean, you know, what are you gonna do?
Aha!
Oh. That was a very bad move. So wait, is the goal whoever finds them the fastest wins, or whoever finds the most wins? Like, what's even the goal here?
Can I make this?
Let me see that.
Secret, my armor.
Oh yeah, I remember that. We made this a while back.
I thought it would be one with the leaves.
But
22 left.
2 left. Wow, how good are you at this?
Very. As I said, I take my Minecrafting very seriously.
Well, you might have quite a hard time finding the final 2. Won't
They're not
you?
in the nether, are they?
Of course not. I mean, I was planning on it, but like, I was like, I don't know, you wouldn't get it. But you did, so...
We'll consider that out of bounds.
Yeah, I guess.
It's not in there. There was like 3 double chests here. Where are they?
2 left. Where haven't you checked?
Hello, Shulker the Shulky. Right above you, Tom. Tyrone Dad, Mary Mum, Timmy's son.
Oh yeah, those are my dogs. Well, my little rascals.
Incoming! Hello. Yes.
But you still have one more to find, don't you? I've hit it in a pretty descript. What?
Found it. It was just upstairs.
You found it?
Yes.
In that dark corner over there?
Yes.
Okay, now I do not know who went better, because like, you clearly didn't need help, and I had a pretty easy place to deal with. You know what? I think you won this. Yeah. I do not have any inventory space left. But anyways, so yeah, I'll mark it down as you winning this, because you found it in practically the same amount of time as me, in a much harder spot, so, yeah.
I mean, you did have a more... I had a weak build. You had an intricate build.
Yeah, well anyways,
We're gonna do round 2?
It's been long enough. I think we should end the episode here.
Alright.
Alright, thank you all for watching. This has been a lovely episode, and I think, you did a pretty good job. Yeah. So thank you all for watching, and
We want to see a part 2 of Find the Slimes.
yeah, thank you all for watching, and goodbye.